Meet the BraunAbility Toyota Sienna, the most comfortable, accessible, and reliable wheelchair van on the road. Engineered for independence, the Sienna's ultra-wide power ramp and spacious cabin make every journey effortless. Whether you're driving or riding, enjoy seamless entry and exit, even with the largest power chairs. Inside, discover flexible seating options and a reimagined center console, maximizing maneuverability and comfort for every passenger. Soft glow LED lighting and a full-length footrest means safety and convenience day or night. And with Toyota's hybrid technology, you'll travel up to 36 miles per gallon, saving money and going further between fill-ups. BraunAbility's built-to-trust engineering means proven reliability, dealer-backed support, and peace of mind for years to come. Elevate your everyday. Choose the BraunAbility Toyota Sienna, where comfort, accessibility, and independence come standard.